4:30. I got my lemon water and I'm about to journal and read. So let's get this week started. Just finished up my workout, did Sydney Cummings butt and legs. It's pretty good. Just wearing leggings, my Aritzia hoodie, and I'm wearing these tan Vans. I always forget about them and then I wear them and I'm like, oh my god, they're so cute. So, going on my morning walk. We're back from our walk. Mom's freezing. I thought it was nice out, but I'm gonna make a mango mint smoothie. Here it is. I've made this so many times, you guys are probably sick of seeing it, but I just love it. So I'm going to have this, and then I have a review session for finance, and then we will see where the day takes us. Funny story, guys, looking my best right now, but I had my smoothie and then I was naturally, I get freezing every time I have my smoothie. And I was in the shower and I was just relaxing, you know, rinsing off, and then I realized that I have class in 1 minute, but I just made it on. So yeah, I'm going to do my finance review. Also, I don't know what these little dots are. They're like not, is it? I don't know, but she's on, gotta go. 10 a.m. and I'm done class. I am going to do a study review for my math class because I have a test on Thursday, but I'm a person where if I don't like feel good, I can't focus. So I'm going to do my hair and some makeup and then get started. Yeah. That's it. Yeah. It's noon and I'm just struggling with this work, so I'm going to put it away and take a break. I don't know what's going on with me. I think actually I'm just gonna start my other work for the day and then maybe I'll come back to this, but I cannot do this anymore. It's 1 p.m. I just finished, honestly, everything I did today, I did bad on, so hopefully it's just an off day, but I'm gonna go make some lunch. It's 2, I had my lunch and I just was relaxing. Now Mom and I are gonna go for another walk because it's really nice out and I think I just need to like clear my head. I'm having a rough day and Catherine left me something. Oh, it's from Thrive! I can't believe Catherine just sent me that. That literally made my day and cheered me up, and the Powerball was so good. I'm so happy. But now I am going to continue doing some work, I think. It's 4:30, I just finally finished my work, but now I'm going to have the donut Catherine gave me as my celebratory treat, so let's try it. So good. Alrighty guys, so I've honestly just been chilling out and then the door rang and it was this awesome package that I've been so excited to get, so I'm really glad it's here. FabFitFun reached out to me and wanted me to show you guys, I'm just covering my address, wanted me to show you guys their winter box. So if you don't know what FabFitFun is, it is a subscription box for lifestyle, beauty items, and they're full size, which is super great. So especially for college students, all their items are really helpful. And yeah, let's open her up and see what this winter box entails. So basically the way their subscription works is it's seasonal. So you get a winter box, a fall box, but in doing so, it's kind of like a present, like you get excited. Okay, so here is a box. It is so cute and festive, which we love. Got a little cute FabFitFun sticker. What I see when I open it. Ooh. Wow, this actually really excites me. I got $80 off my first box of HelloFresh, which is huge. You guys all know HelloFresh and see it everywhere, so that's really exciting. Next is below the belt card case. Ooh, this is cute. This will be good if you're going out. So cute, it's like a little card holder. It's a Laura Geller, which is like huge. Eyeshadow palette. So this is the Cinnamon and Spice 12-ball eyeshadow palette. So it's like all the colors that I love. Gorge. Super excited about that. Wow, look at me. Next, I just got this Dr. Hue dry shampoo. I've never used dry shampoo, but I figure it might be good. It's an apple cider vinegar powder one, and I've honestly never even heard of a powdered dry shampoo, so that's interesting. Next, I see in here Tula Skincare. It's a eye brightening balm, so you just use it like an eye serum. So you just put it under your eyes. Let's try it. Oh yeah, that's nice. It's nice and cool under your eyelids, definitely refreshing. Next, I see a little something. Oh, it's a liquid eyeliner. Ooh, by a brand called Aesthetica. That's kind of a cute name. It's just a little black eyeliner, which is great because I always use these. Next, I see a Daily Concepts dry brush. Oh, this will be great for self-tan when your skin gets gross. Next, this is awesome. It's a touch highlight LED makeup mirror. So I was thinking maybe putting this on my desk. That's weird, but it's like a big makeup mirror with LED lighting, so I'll have to play with that. It's a blanket. Oh my god, guys, it's really soft. Yeah. Oh yes, this is lovely. I love it. So definitely check out FabFitFun. All of this is so great for college. This would be great in a dorm if you're in a dorm, or when you will be in a dorm. This is so great. Like, the mirror would be awesome if you don't want to use it if you have a public bathroom. And all of these are really great for going out. So yeah, I hope you guys check them out, but I'm really excited about this package. I was especially having a kind of a rough day, so this really just brought my mood up. It's 6:24 and we're making pasta. Who is surprised?
Do you like the style on me?
It's Dancing with the Stars Monday and I'm very excited. But yeah, just a big work day for us.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna have an appetizer of some Tylenol.
I said you the one that be worthy, you not the one.
Alrighty, it's 10 p.m. I just finished Dancing with the Stars and it was really good. I am sleepy, so I am going to go to bed. I made a order on Sephora while watching Dancing with the Stars. Just trying out some skincare because I think maybe it's time I should start doing that. So yes, I will show you guys whenever that comes in, probably next week. But time for bed. Good morning, it's 6 a.m. I really slept in today. Not really gonna get into it, but I didn't really end up going to bed until like 11:30. So yeah, that's why. I journaled, but I'm not really gonna do a full read. I just read a few pages because I still want to get my workout in and stuff, so. Finished my workout. It was actually pretty hard. I didn't do Sydney coming, so crazy. But I just threw on this big crew neck with a nice stain and some sweats. And I'm going on my walk. All right, there it is. Blueberry banana with, oh, if you can see. Can you see? There's some granola on top, but apparently you can't see that. So I am going to have this, watch some of Lauren Elizabeth because I'm really into her right now. And then I have English. I have a busy like morning of school. I have English and then a little bit, I have like 30 minutes. And then I have a test. And then I have a team meeting after the test, which shouldn't be too long. And then, I have a lot of schoolwork to do today. When do I not though? So yeah, that's that.
This through carefully and make sure that I'm building.
Alrighty guys, so I just finished my classes, my test, and my team meeting. It's like 12:45. So I'm gonna make some lunch. I'm just grabbing all the stuff I need to bring upstairs with me. But I had such a heart attack. I knew this was gonna happen one day. I was just waiting for the day it did, and of course it was today. 10 questions into my test, my page shut down and it submits the test. 10 out of 40. I was like, but luckily my prof just reset it and then I did it and I did fine. So all ended up okay, but I was really freaking out for a second there. Tofu warm salad. I was just feeling it today. Got my water. Now I'm gonna go watch an episode of Good Witch and then do my English assignment, which I think is gonna take me a hot minute. And then it's so nice out, I want to get outside, but I have a lot of schoolwork to do and that takes priority. It's 3:30 and I've done it. I finished one of my English assignments and I'm very proud of myself and happy. So I'm done. Oh, I had a date with peanut butter after lunch. I had a sweet tooth. But yes. Alright guys, I figured if I'm gonna, like go out, I should probably put on real people clothes and not a sweater that has a shit ton of stains on it. So I just threw my hair in a ponytail. I threw on this little crisscross top and then this is the bralette I was wearing all day. It's kind of see-through. You can see like the lines on my stomach. Oh, maybe not on camera, from sitting on my sweatpants. And then just threw on the jeans I always wear. I'm gonna bring my bag just in case I stop anywhere or see anything I want. And yeah, I'm just gonna go on a nice walk, listen to a podcast, and take in this nice weather while we have it.
Circles in my head. I've been running after some.
It's 6:15 now and I'm actually really hungry, so I'm gonna make some dinner. I really don't know what I want. I think I'm gonna make some kind of bowl. Sounds good. But man, I'm like starving. I honestly just made like a DIY burrito bowl. So I just have some like diced tomatoes, cherry tomatoes. I was gonna do black beans, but all I had was kidney beans open. So I did kidney beans, peppers, onion, and then some cumin. And now I'm just heating up some rice. I'm gonna put that on top. I'm gonna do some spinach and all the toppings.
Then
Sounds
I know
good.
money couldn't help. Always starving for my purpose. Maybe I ain't found it yet. Honest questions with my mother. All these things you think you want, will they ever be enough?
I'm telling you, the perfect amount of cream is when it's the color of my hair. So I was having a little bit of anxiety attack, but my mom fixed me. Mommy to the rescue. Now we're gonna try, I don't know how to pronounce her name. It's like Tasha Franken, I think. But everyone really likes her, so we're gonna try her full body cardio sculpt.
She's gonna kill me, basically, is what you're doing.
I don't know, I've never done it, so we'll let you know. Once again, I did blueberry banana. I was just craving it with some granola, but I added in peanut butter today just because I felt like it. Now I watch my YouTube and then we'll get started on school. So it's like 9:30. I've just been relaxing. I'm gonna start some school. But first I'm gonna make my mom her breakfast. My mom likes to have this coffee shake in the morning, but she's not the best at making it, so I just make it. If you guys are watching this, go make your mom a meal.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
See, mine wasn't this color.
That was a squeal.
This is so good. It's like,
It's like a coffee shake.
I know, but it has like a sweet caramelly taste to it.
Dates. So today we're starting with finance. I'm going to redo the review and see if I know everything, how to do everything. And then I'm going to finish my English assignment I was doing yesterday. I already finished it, but just like the final touches and submit that. I want to look over and start thinking about another English assignment I have due next week. next Sunday. And then Mom and I are gonna go to Oakville today. She has to make a return, so that'll be really quick, and I want to go to Whole Foods. That's literally my only outing of the day. My grandma's coming over for dinner, so I'm sure I will bake something for her. I need to fix this. Alrighty guys, it's 12:45 now. I honestly have just been chilling. I didn't do any work, but we're heading out to the door. Sorry about my phone going off. But I'm just wearing this little outfit. These jeans are done for them. This top is Forever 21. These suede tan vans with my Louis. It's filled with my computer, some notebooks, and a sweater because I think we're gonna go to a cafe and do some work and get some lunch. And yeah, we as in my mom and I are at Aroma, and we just ordered some food. Anything to say?
No, can't wait. I'm starving.
Yeah, I'm really hungry, but I got some avocado toast. Thanks, waitress. You're welcome. We finished up our work and we just went to Whole Foods and got a bunch of goodies, which I'll show you when we get home. But now now Mom's driving home. And we will have Grandma over for dinner. We're making pasta salad. We got a baguette, 3 different chocolates, so I never run out again. But we got the Zazu beans, one of my favorites. So we got the sea salt and almond and cacao nib and vanilla. And we also are trying this new brand, or it's not new, but new to us, Alter Eco. I got sea salt. I got a Go Macro Bar in oatmeal chocolate chip because I've never tried that flavor. And we just got some more bananas. I'm really excited about this one. We got some salted caramel cluster ice cream by So Delicious, which we'll try. Some more broccoli. For dinner, we're doing a pasta salad, as I said, so we got some green onion, zucchini, sun-dried tomatoes, chickpea pasta. Then they started selling or maybe they always have, but I didn't know, but healthy kombucha is like huge in the States. And I always see it there, and I remember seeing that they had this rosé flavor, and I've been wanting to try it, but I couldn't find it, and it was there, so we grabbed that. And then we just got my dad's milk and orange juice, so that's what we got from Whole Foods. This should feel very nostalgic, guys. Mom and I are in the kitchen cooking up for Grandma, just like the heat of quarantine. That's what we do. I made, well, okay, so all you've missed is it's 4:30. I made chickpea blondies. I'm just gonna end this vlog here. I'm gonna lay in bed and honestly go on TikTok and read my book and then go to bed. So yeah, I know this vlog was kind of boring and just me doing school and having panic attacks, but I gotta be real and honest with you guys, and that's honestly how my, last few days went. So hopefully you relate to that and enjoy that, I guess. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.